if you can, in this moment, start to bring awareness into the fact in this moment, now and now and now, that there's enough air to breathe. The heart is still beating. Your body is basically okay. And you can register the fact and feel it that you're basically all right now. See what it's like to feel basically all right. Letting go of unnecessary worry, unnecessary uneasiness, letting go of unnecessary bracing or defending or guarding. As you register now, in this moment, that you're basically all right. You may not have been basically all right in the past. You may not be basically all right in the future. But now, in the now, continuously, when it's true, and it usually is, you can let yourself feel it, that you're basically all right. You can still be aware of what's happening around you and inside you. You can still deal with challenges with the felt recognition of the truth that now you are basically all right. See what it's like to open into a growing sense of feeling as safe as you reasonably can. In this moment, at least, you're probably protected in various ways. There's no immediate life-threatening danger, probably. See what it's like to settle into a growing sense of safety. As we finish up here, you can also know that you can tune into the fact of being basically all right whenever you want, especially when things are challenging.